Namaste. Recently, one of my surgeries called RIA-MIND was in the limelight for receiving an international award. And I realized that many people who were congratulating me did not know what this particular surgery is for. This award was extensively covered by Indian as well as global media, as this is an international award and is awarded by Vattikutti Foundation, which is located in United States. Robotic infraclavicular approach for minimally invasive neck dissection is a technique of neck dissection. Neck dissection is performed for the oral and head and neck cancers. Oral means the cancers of tongue, the cancer of the cheek, and cancer of lip. So all these constitute or are together called as oral cancers. So oral cancers being one of the most common cancers in India, it was important for us to find a solution, an Indian solution, which would reduce the trauma of the surgery and make it more acceptable for the patient. So this is an innovation in that direction, where we use robotics for performing this surgery, enhancing the early recovery of the patient and making the hospital stay shorter for the patient. Of course, it is also a scarless surgery wherein it leaves very small scars. So the greatest beneficiaries of this particular technique are the patients with tongue cancer, the cancers of cheek, and the cancers of lip. So they are the patients who get the maximum benefit out of it. Thank you very much.